Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Learn English with Shelly. This quick video will help you speak like a native as you excel at learning these essential English verbs. Without further ado, let's get started. Play. The kids are playing in the park. Work. I work on weekdays from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. Clean. We are cleaning the house. Have. I have a dentist appointment. I have a dentist appointment tomorrow. I have a dentist appointment this Thursday. Write. We are writing our exam. Stay. We are staying at our friend's place for the weekend. Brush. I brush my teeth twice a day. Watch. Let's watch some TV. Have. We have biology classes on Mondays and Wednesdays. Brush. He's brushing his teeth. Spend. We are spending the weekend at our friend's house. Have. We have a meeting tomorrow at 2 p.m. Work out. He works out 2 to 3 times a week. Watch. Mention. We watched the news today, and they mentioned that the cost of living will be decreasing again. Exercise. We exercise 2 to 3 times a week. Shop. Tomorrow I will go grocery shopping. Tomorrow I'm going grocery shopping. Tomorrow I'm going to go grocery shopping. Drive. My husband drives to work. Take. I take the metro to my university.